So today I have a really old Roland Boss GT6 made in Taiwan. So right now I'll be teaching you how to change a switch in the interface of this pedal. You can see it has like a bunch of switch like 1 2 3 4 5 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. So around 23 switch. So what actually happens is after your pedal gets old, kind of after 6-7 years, you have to kind of press this button very hardly. So what I'm gonna teach you is how you can replace this button for less than $1. So you can buy such buttons, one with the rubber caps for a $1 for at least 15 pieces. Let me show you the actual product. Oops. So these are the products which we need to replace. As you can see, this one's with the rubber, so it doesn't wear out that easily compared to the clicky ones which wear out after maybe 500 clicks. This will last you up to 1000 to 1500. So I have already unscrewed everything over here, and you can remove the cap of each of the knob, and you have to remove it using a pliers or a wrench. But if you have a wrench, that's good. If you have a plier, that will be also fine. So after taking out everything, you can finally pull out the board. This connects for the LCD display. This one's for the control board. Same goes for this. This goes for front pedal. This goes for front pedal too. You can take out this board. So this is the board, and these are the plastic caps which you can take it out by pushing this tab behind. But make sure, because each and every switch has a different type of switch. One are transparent and some are non. The one with the LED button needs a transparent cap. You can see if I use a flashlight, it will go past it. So this one is a transparent, while some of them are not. Take example this one. This is not transparent. The middle of the switch is not transparent. Now after taking out every switch, we'll use a multimeter to determine every switch is functioning or not. Okay, so we have removed every switch cap. Now it's a bare bone PCB. Now we need a multimeter. Let me push this thing behind for a while. So I'm gonna check every switch whether it works or not. We can put this thing in a buzzer mode. So if button works, it will probably buzz. I think every switch need to be replaced on this thing. But we can try. Okay, this one is working. This one is dead. This one is dead. Okay, this one is dead too. I guess everything is dead on this thing. So let's replace everything. I won't be saving that much of money even by just saving few switches. They will break in future obviously, so it starts working. We need a flux, a little bit of flux. So we need to put this thing in every switch. Let's start from a preamp, an amp mode selection switch. Okay, well that was unexpected. Oh, so finally I removed the switch. You can see this one. Now I'm gonna put a new one. Okay, so it fits perfectly, but after you insert it you need to cut the extra pin leg. Okay, now it's good, I guess. Okay, so I need to do this process on every switch. It will probably take me half an hour, so I'll end this video over here. I'll upload another 2 videos related to Boss GT6 regarding its adapter issue and how to fix your expression pedal pot, because I get a lot of email on my older YouTube account regarding how to fix the thing. So I'll be posting those videos in a same day. Stay tuned and subscribe my channel.